Welcome to Daily Scripture Reading. I do not own the rights to this music. Thank God for unity. The definition of unity: the state of being united or joined as a whole. Union, unification, coalition, oneness, agreement. I will read the King James Version of 1 Peter chapter 3, verses 8 through 12. This is the King James Version. Finally, be ye all of one mind, having compassion one of another, love as brethren, be pitiful, be courteous, not rendering evil for evil, or railing for railing, but contrariwise blessing, knowing that ye are thereunto called, that ye should inherit a blessing. For he that will love life and see good days, let him refrain his tongue from evil, and his lips that they speak no guile. Let him eschew evil and do good. Let him seek peace and ensue it. For the eyes of the Lord are over the righteous, and his ears are open unto their prayers. But the face of the Lord is against them that do evil. The end. God bless you, and thank you for joining me today.